Welcome to Kids' Kingdom of Fun Learning.
It's story time.
Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, lived a young boy named Fred. Fred was known for his insatiable curiosity and adventurous spirit. One day, while exploring the depths of the forest, he stumbled upon an ancient map hidden within the hollow of an old oak tree. The map depicted a winding path leading to untold treasures, hidden deep within the heart of the forest. Excitement pulsed through Fred's veins as he realized he was about to embark on the adventure of a lifetime. Fred's heart raced with anticipation as he unfurled the dusty parchment, tracing his finger along the faded, inked lines. The map seemed to whisper secrets of forgotten riches and untold wonders. With a determined gleam in his eye, Fred set off into the unknown, following the map's cryptic directions. As Fred journeyed deeper into the forest, he encountered all manner of obstacles and challenges. From treacherous ravines to dense thickets, each hurdle seemed like a test of his resolve. But Fred pressed on, his determination unwavering. At the edge of a moss-covered cliff, Fred discovered a hidden cave entrance obscured by vines and shadows. Intrigued, he cautiously stepped inside, his heart pounding with excitement. But his path was blocked by an old wise owl draped in shadows, a guardian of the cave.
Hello there. Who are you? What brings you here, little boy?
Hello, I'm Fred. I came here in search of a treasure, with the help of a map that I found in the forest. The direction in the map led me to this cave to continue my treasure hunt.
All right, Fred. You shall not enter the cave unless you answer to this riddle. Who travels the world yet stays in one corner, always coming but never goes?
The guardian owl's voice echoed through the cavern, its words tinged with mystery and challenge. With furrowed brow, Fred pondered the riddle, his mind racing through possibilities. Suddenly, a spark of inspiration ignited within him.
Well, I think that should be a stamp.
He declared confidently, a smile spreading across his face. Impressed by Fred's wit, the guardian owl stepped aside, allowing him to continue his journey deeper into the cave. As Fred ventured forth, he found himself surrounded by glittering treasures and ancient artifacts, each one more mesmerizing than the last. But amidst the riches, Fred stumbled upon a squirrel ensnared in a web of vines, its eyes pleading for help. Without hesitation, Fred rushed to its aid, using his quick thinking to free the squirrel from its leafy prison. The squirrel squeaked, its voice a melodic echo in the cavern.
Thank you for your help. You have passed the next level. As a reward to your compassion, answer to this riddle, and you can continue with your treasure hunt. 3 eyes have I, all in a row. When the red one opens, all freeze like snow. What am I?
Fred scratched his head, pondering the riddle with intensity. Then, like a bolt of lightning, the answer struck him.
All right, I guess the answer to that riddle is a traffic light.
He exclaimed, beaming with pride. Grateful for Fred's help, the creature bestowed upon him a precious gemstone, a token of their newfound friendship. With a grateful smile, Fred continued his journey, his heart brimming with joy and excitement. As Fred explored deeper, he stumbled upon a gigantic snake lying curled upon the glittering treasures. Seeing Fred, the snake poised itself to ask him the final riddle.
I'm not alive, but I grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. I don't have a mouth, but water kills me. What am I?
Fred thought for a while and answered,
Here we go. That should be a fire.
Fred's answer echoed in the cave. He smiled with confidence. The snake told him it was the right answer and slithered away silently. Fred was in awe seeing the treasures. His curiosity not only won him treasures, but also a lifetime experience of an adventure. As the sun dipped below the horizon, Fred emerged from the depths of the cave, his arms laden with treasures and his spirit soaring with triumph. He only took what he wanted and left the remaining treasures for the next adventurer. He hid the map in the depth of the forest. With each step homeward, he knew that his adventure was just the beginning of a lifetime filled with excitement, discovery, and the bonds of friendship that would last a lifetime. And so, with the stars twinkling overhead and the forest whispering secrets in the wind, Fred's journey continued, fueled by the promise of new adventures yet to come. I hope you enjoyed this adventure story of Fred's quest for treasure. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you all soon on another interesting topic.